Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So this is the 14th part of GRE vocabulary high frequency word. So now we'll move on to the content of this video. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of upcoming videos. So now we'll move on to the content, and our first word is tantamount. That is adjective, and the meaning of this word is equivalent to value, size, effect, content. And that means equal, and the synonyms are equivalent, equal, commensurate. The example is his statement was tantamount to an admission of guilt. That means his statement is equal to the admission of guilt. See the picture, how a man exchanging chicken with the fruits, that is equivalent to each other, tantamount. Now move on to sentences. First sentence is taking down the monuments is not tantamount to erasing history, she said. She said that taking down the monuments is not equivalent to erasing the history. Now move on to second sentence. Swimming with your kids, they told us, was tantamount to mass murder. That means they told us that swimming with your kids was equal to the mass murder. Move on to third sentence. He went on to suggest that the use of the logo on police uniform is tantamount to placing a Confederate flag on a government building. That means he suggests that the use of logo on police uniform is equal to the placing a Confederate flag on government building. So now we'll move on to the 5 more sentences under this word, and these 5 sentences give a 10-second pause for you. After that we will continue for the next word. So you can pause the video and read these sentences, and you can continue for the next word. So our next word is coup. That is a noun. Meaning of this word is, there are 2 meanings available. First meaning is a brilliant and notable success, and the second meaning is a sudden and decisive change of government illegally or by force. That means suddenly someone take over the government illegally or by force. Synonyms are success, takeover. Example is the emperor's first great coup thus failed. That means the emperor's first great success become failed. See the picture, how someone occupy a place and cover the government illegally. Now move on to the sentences. First sentence is his hiring is considered a coup for the popular mobile video app. That means his hiring is considered a success, a brilliant success for the popular mobile video app. Second sentence is he says Turkey missed an opportunity by not dealing justly with the coup attempt. That means he said that Turkey missed an opportunity by not dealing with the success that attempt. Third sentence is he went on trial this week over the 1989 coup which brought him to power. That means he went on trial this week over the 1989 takeover which brought him to power. So see the word that is used in 2 sense. One is only a success sense and next one is takeover. So we have to know the meanings of a word properly. That will help to understand the sentence in very good manner. So now we'll move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So our next word is adversary. Adversary is a noun, and the meaning of this word is someone who offer opposition. In single word, that means opponent. See the synonyms: opponents, antagonist, opposer, resistor, and the antonyms is agonist. So move on to the example. his old political adversary has returned to hurt him. That means his old political opponent has returned to harm him. See the picture how two person attack each other. That means one is opponent of another. Move on to sentences. First sentence is it is unclear whether those statements, however, deter further action by American adversaries. However, it is unclear whether those statements deter, that is, prevent further action by the American opponents. Second sentence is decades later, she surprised many by appearing at a dinner honoring her old adversary, studio chief Jack L. Warner. That means decades later, that is more than 10 years, she surprised many by appearing at a dinner honoring her old opponent, and that person is studio chief Jack L. Warner. Third sentence is space contributes to operations against any adversary and is vital to the American way of war. Space contributes to operation against any opponent and it is the most important to the American way of war. So now move on to the 5 more sentences. Our next word is covet. Covet is a verb and the meaning of this word is want something that especially belongs to someone else. That means you desire something that actually belongs to the other person. The synonyms are desire, envy, wish. Example is she covets her sister's house. That means she desires her sister's house. See the picture how a man is desiring a cup that actually belongs to the another person. Now move on to the sentences. First sentence is it was a really coveted role, Washington said. Washington said that it was really a desirable role. Second sentence is I coveted the large room with a tall window overlooking the street. That means I desire for the larger room with the tall windows that will overlooking the street. Third sentence is Broadway is the coveted corner of the theater world for many reasons. That is prestige, large audience, enormous talent. So Broadway is the desirable corner of the theater world for many reasons that are prestige, large audience, enormous talent. So now move on to the 5 more sentences. So our next word is conjecture. That is a noun and the meaning of this word is an opinion or idea that is not based on definite knowledge and formed by guessing. That means an idea or opinion that will do in guessing form, not with a definite knowledge. The synonyms are guess, suppose, hypothesis, surmise. Example is people are just trading on conjecture. That means people are just trading on guess, hypothesis. See the picture how a child is guessing what is available in front of him without seeing that content. So now move on to the sentences. First sentence is it's proper to conjecture that the reason is that they were in such bad condition that doctors saw no point in giving them an experimental drug. That means it's proper to guess that the reason is that they were in such a bad condition so that doctors saw no point in giving them an experimental drug. Second sentence is the Navy in its report also avoided any such conjecture. That means the Navy which is in reports also avoided any such guess hypothesis. Third sentence is China would like to control all of the South China Sea. including its oil, gas, and fishing resources. Cooper conjecture. That means Cooper guess that China would like to control all of the South China Sea, that include the oil, gas, and fishing resources. So now move on to the 5 more sentences. So guys, this is the end of this video part, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and share this video to the relevant viewers. Till then, goodbye, take care, and have a good day, and thank you for watching our video.